Ari, I have to say that buyers are driving me crazy this year. They are so incredibly picky. I can't seem to find anything that they want.
Renee, I totally understand. I've got a buyer with a great budget, but he's looking for a totally redone and modern Eichler, and they just don't seem to exist.
Yeah, well, I've got an Eichler purist that's looking for a completely mid-century modern house. It seems like they're so difficult to find.
Looks like we'll need to find a unicorn home.
Yep. And guess what? We've got a unicorn for you behind these doors. Oh my gosh, Ari, you have to come check this out. My clients are going to absolutely love the mahogany walls. Not only that, but this beautiful exposed brick fireplace. And I also noticed in the hall that there were shoji screen doors, globe lights, and wow, check this out. Beautiful polished concrete floors.
No way, Renee. Your client's not gonna get this house because my client's gonna want it. I mean, look at the remodeled kitchen, the designer lighting, and wow, is that a new roof?
Okay, this tub may not be original, but I'll definitely take it. And that huge walk-in closet too.
The yard and views are absolutely stunning. Looks like this is going to be a very popular house.
Cheers to that! Finally, an Eichler that all home buyers are absolutely going to love. I'm Renee Adelmann.
And I'm Assadi.
And our team cannot wait to share this unicorn of a house with you. So please come visit us this weekend and call 415 Eichler for any further information on the property.